A rear-end collision caused by a distracted driver. Pay attention to the road ahead to avoid accidents. A collision between a container and a car at an exit. Both cars were probably at fault for not slowing down at intersections. Two guys were so focused on talking to each other that they didn't notice the car coming in front. A sudden rear-end collision caused by the idiot in the Chrysler town car. He didn't keep a safe distance.
Don't hit us.
What the? Ai đi xịt nữa rồi chỗ lớn nhỉ? Số là lầu tiếp kìa.
Oh my God! Wow.
Come on, buddy. What are you doing here? Yeah. I better put this in there. मर्जी करने वाला भैया लंबा रास्ता आ जाता बाकी है नहीं तो ज्यादा नहीं ट्रैक डालता लगी नहीं बच गया यार
There lies a long shadow. The tower trim.
That like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course my example always for this is 35-year-old white woman who
You're still tuning in. Finance and Economy will be conducting routine inspection works on the fuel pumps at several Shell retail stations.
I didn't think I'd make it. I was in.
Ух ты, блядь. Стоять нахуй.
Ой, сука, все.
Питер, блядь!
Как это он так? Любимая, вы не позволите?
Предназначена для передачи.
Оу!
Что это? Сам.
Oh, there's an accident. Just they changed lanes. Oh, whoa! Oh my God. Oh my.
Forming church for the big money, those boys. Are you okay?
I just got in a wreck.
What happened? Oh my
I
God.
think that this is the city that they're building.
When are they gonna open it?
Your destination is on the right.
Was this plugged in?
Yeah?
Thank God. Oh my. Holy sh**. I have the footage of it.
Pull over. You can.
Water out.
It's also important to outline, we're not saying that Charles was like a bad person or did anything expressly evil, but because the way the law was written at the time, it let people get away with this. But it seems that Charles, even if he didn't work with them directly, he was definitely knowledgeable.
After lying still and recovering for a few seconds, she crawled toward the front of the truck, slipped down onto the cab, and then climbed down the side of it, using the side view mirror and door handle as toe holds and grips. Once she was on the concrete floor, Val Ballard checked the warehouse's doors to see if she would have a quick escape route.
Turn right onto East Broad Street.
Oh, wow, I haven't been in this little section in a long time.
Consequences of distracted driving. A 20-year-old street racer wrecked 7 cars before coming to a stop. Only pass when the lane is completely clear.
Oh my God! Holy shit!
A good thing the truck didn't flip over. I think the driver did everything he could. Trying to overtake a truck like that is just crazy. This is what happens when you try to cross the tracks with a train approaching.
Just 17 other cabinet members were missing.
Oh my gosh, both cars were going at least 62 mph, which caused the driver to lose control and crash.